Today, we've got some exciting news about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and it all starts with a leaked case that gives us a sneak peek into what Samsung's next flagship has in store. So let's dive right into the details of this case leak and what it means for the overall design, comfort, and performance of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung is already making serious progress with the Galaxy S25 series, and it seems like the specs and design are all locked in. The S25 series, which includes the S25 Ultra, S25 Plus, and the regular S25, has gone through engineering validation testing, meaning Samsung has tested how the device works internally with all its components. What's even more exciting is that benchmarks for the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset are starting to surface. This powerful processor, built exclusively for Samsung's Galaxy lineup, will push the performance of the S25 Ultra to new heights. We're talking about real speed and efficiency that could even rival Apple's latest A18 Pro chip. So performance-wise, the S25 Ultra is already shaping up to be a beast. Now let's talk about the latest leak, the case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Leaked through a Chinese tech blog on Weibo and shared by renowned tipster Ice Universe, this transparent silicone case is giving us some pretty big clues about what Samsung's 2025 flagship might look like. First off, the Galaxy S25 Ultra seems to be making a design shift. One of the biggest complaints from users about the previous models, especially the Galaxy S23 Ultra, was how uncomfortable the sharp corners were. Well, it looks like Samsung heard those complaints because the S25 Ultra will likely have more rounded corners. This is a huge improvement, making the phone much easier to hold and more comfortable to carry around, especially given its large size. Ergonomics is everything when it comes to such a massive device, and this change could make all the difference. Another interesting thing the leaked case reveals is the placement of the S Pen silo. Samsung has decided to position the silo near the bottom right corner, which is one of the newly rounded areas. This adjustment is not just about aesthetics, it's going to make using the S Pen a lot more convenient. You'll be able to access the stylus quicker, making it easier to jot down notes, sketch something, or use the S Pen for other tasks on the go. It's a small design change, but for users who frequently use the S Pen, this is going to be a game changer. Now, while the S25 Ultra case leak gives us great insights into the design, let's not forget that the real magic is going to happen under the hood. Samsung is expected to announce the Galaxy S25 Ultra in January 2025, and it's likely to come loaded with AI-driven features thanks to the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. Samsung has been steadily increasing the AI capabilities in its phones, and with Qualcomm's latest processor, we can expect even more advanced AI features, enhancing everything from photography to power efficiency. And if the benchmarks we're seeing are accurate, the S25 Ultra could easily outperform even Apple's flagship devices. That said, don't expect a major design overhaul. From what we know so far, Samsung is sticking with its tried-and-true formula. There won't be any drastic changes to the overall design, but tweaks like the rounded corners and improved S Pen placement will make a noticeable difference in how the phone feels and functions. One of the fastest phones on the market. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's case leak and the upcoming design changes? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. We've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.